And with that, I start the long walk over here. So for this demo, we're going to try to bring it all together. We're going to show the development of an app with one of our app development partners, Superblocks. So we're going to generate that app with AI. We're going to infuse that app with data intelligence from the Databricks platform. And then we're going to deploy that app seamlessly as a Databricks app. And once I catch my breath over here, we can start the demo. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this prompt in to generate a supply chain dashboard for Brickhouse brands. We're telling it which Databricks products and services to integrate into, and it's going to generate the framework of our application, the interface, as well as the APIs into Databricks. And here we are. So what we can see is now we have our Brickhouse Brands admin dashboard. We're going to go from top to bottom and inspect each of these components to see the underlying Databricks service it's integrated with. Starting at the top here, we have the aggregate time-based information for SLA violations, active SKUs. We can see that this is an aggregate query from DB SQL. Going out here, we can see the same data visualized as an embedded AI BI dashboard, so we can see the time-based visualization. And down here, we can see the individual SKU level logistics. So let's actually click into one of these. And we can see now the shipment history for this SKU. This is real-time data being pulled from Lakebase. And up top, we can see the priority scores, predicted delays, delivery risk. These are actually queries to a model served through model serving, prepared through ML flow. And so what we're doing here, you can see the Lakebase query and the model serving query. We're able to integrate the real-time data with predictive insights through modeling and AI. We can edit this app directly, so we can go up here and edit the text. Again, visual editing is an important aspect of this. We can drag and drop these components. We can resize things. The point is, you can go back and forth between AI, visual, and code super seamlessly. And then, if we need to, we can actually go directly down to the React code. So we can change the format of the icons that we had in the map component here, save that, and then we see those changes propagated to the map. Jumping up here, we can now, let's flag this SKU as critical. And so what this is going to do, it's going to add this to our shipment priority queue. If we click into this component, we can see that this is actually DB SQL with an AI query. And this AI query is using a foundation model to query unstructured shipment data and summarize the reasons this shipment is at risk. So we're processing unstructured data using this foundation model. And finally, no demo would be complete without Genie. So we go back up here into this chat component, and we can see a chat interface that is powered by Genie. So now we can ask questions of our data through natural language. And you can see this is pulling from the Genie Conversation APIs. All right, the app looks good. Now we're going to deploy it on Databricks. So we're going to seamlessly deploy this as a Databricks app. And what this is going to do is it's going to take us over to the Databricks workspace. And now we can see a running version of our Databricks app. Here we can see the Databricks app URL, where this app has been provisioned. We can see the app resources that were attached to this app, so the SQL warehouse, the serving endpoint, et cetera. We can actually edit these permissions. So if we go up here, we can see which resources have been added to the app. So this is essentially adding the necessary production resources now that we're deploying this app to production in this workspace. Those look good. The next step here would be sharing this app with the appropriate teams. So here we have this app pre-configured to share to my logistics team. So now they can access this app directly with auth managed completely through Databricks. This all looks good. Now we can deploy this app. We're pushing the new configuration and code to the container, and we'll get a new URL with the production-ready Databricks app. We can click on this, and here we now have our app running completely in production as a Databricks app. All right. With that, a couple key takeaways. So data intelligence apps really helps accelerate democratization of data and AI within your organization. No longer is this stuck behind technical interfaces and requires knowledge of coding or Python or SQL. Anybody can tap into data and AI through applications. Databricks makes it easy to deploy secure and governed production applications. And Databricks Apps is ready and GA today and used across thousands of customers. I would encourage you to go use it. Thanks, everybody. Back to you, Ollie.